Hello everyone, welcome to day 82 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video I am going to show you how to crochet the puff stitch V. Again, this stitch is worked on a foundation chain of odd number of stitches, or you can choose any multiple of 3. So for the sake of the video, I have 9 chains, and we are going to add 3 more chains for our double crochet. Okay, so this stitch is worked with puff stitches, where into the 4th chain from the hook you are going to create a puff stitch with 2 stands. Okay, you just do 2 times and you pull out the loop, close the puff stitch and chain 1. Again do the same thing, 1, 2, close the puff stitch and skip 2 stitches and again make a V puff stitch. That is, your yarn over, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over again, insert, pull out a loop, close the puff stitch, chain 1, again do the same thing. Okay, again skip 2, make your last puff V stitch, and in the last stitch you have to make 1 double crochet. So this is our first row. Now again chain 3, turn your work into each of the chain 1 space. You are going to create your next row of V puff stitches. You can choose to yarn over thrice or even 5 times, but then you have to skip more number of chains in between. So basically you can skip, you can yarn over how many ever times that you want, creating the puff stitch of your desired thickness, but depending on that you have to increase the number of stitches skipped. So if you are going to yarn over thrice and do the puff stitch, you are going to skip 3. Just make sure your stitches are straight. Now at the end of it, make sure to make 1 double crochet on top of the chain 3 and start the next row. So this is the puff stitch V, and do try out the stitch. If you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll meet you tomorrow with an interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.